Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most popular nuts in the world. Almonds. Small, crunchy, nutritious. For centuries, almonds have been enjoyed in many cultures. People eat them as snacks. People add them to desserts, breakfast meals, healthy recipes. But almonds offer much more than great taste. Let's begin with heart health. Almonds contain healthy fats. These fats support normal cardiovascular function. This is one reason almonds are often included in heart-friendly diets. Another important benefit is vitamin E. Almonds are one of the best natural sources of vitamin E. Vitamin E helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Then comes skin health. Many people include almonds in beauty-focused nutrition plans. The nutrients found in almonds support healthy-looking skin. Another important area is brain function. Almonds contain nutrients that support normal brain activity. A balanced diet rich in nuts is often associated with long-term wellness. Now let's talk about antioxidants. Almonds contain natural antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells. This supports healthy aging. Another important benefit is digestion. Almonds contain fiber. Fiber supports gut health. A healthy digestive system plays an important role in overall wellness. Then comes energy. Almonds provide healthy fats, protein, nutrients. These help support daily activity. Many people enjoy almonds as a midday snack. Another advantage is bone health. Almonds contain minerals such as magnesium. These nutrients support strong bones and muscles. Now let's discuss weight balance. Although almonds contain calories, they are very filling. Many people feel satisfied after eating a small handful. Another important point is versatility. Almonds can be eaten raw. They can be added to yogurt. They can be added to oatmeal. They can be used in smoothies. But here is the truth. Almonds should be consumed in moderation. A small handful is usually enough. Balance always matters. No single food can provide everything your body needs. Variety remains important. Now here is the key message. Almonds are more than a simple snack. They contain nutrients that may support heart health, skin health, digestion, brain function, daily wellness. Small healthy habits repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.